Legendary Automotive is proud to be Southwest Florida's leading authority in Jeep service and repair. If you have a Jeep, old, new, whatever it is, we can help you. Is your suspension pulling you left, right? We specialize in Jeep suspension issues, engine issues, transmission issues, lift kits, you name it. We do it here at Legendary. Take a look at the many 5-star reviews from our satisfied Jeep customers. Look around our website and you can see clearly that you can trust us to do the job for you. Reach out to us on our website or give us a call at 239-277-1004.